Rev up your engines! Welcome to Mechanic Monday! Today I'm going to show you how you can stop those horrible noisy wipers on your car. Yes, it's happened to all of us. You turn on your wipers and they make horrible noises. Now of course if you check the blades and they're all ripped and torn, you need new blades. But in this case, the blades are fine. Realize that there's always some friction between the blade and the glass, and a lot of times that friction will make horrible noises. You don't need new blades, you just need to treat your windshield. So get some isopropyl alcohol. I got this stuff at a hardware store. You get some of these nice blue paper towels. I buy them by the ream. They're nice and soft and they're great for cleaning stuff. Put some on and start cleaning. Do one side, then do the other. Then get a bottle of this new finish. As nutty as it sounds, it's the best thing out there. As you can see here, it contains absolutely no wax, because wax would build up and you wouldn't see through the window good. This stuff doesn't have any wax. It's great for windows. One of my fans told me about this use, and when you read the directions, it says it's for waxing your car and does chrome and fiberglass, but it doesn't say anything about windshields, and that's one of its best usages. Maybe they should pay me a finder's fee for that. They're not paying me anything for this. I just did this because I know it works, and I love to give people good tips. Now you get a little, put it on the cloth, and then do half the windshield, just like you're waxing a car. And once it starts to get hazy and dry, get a new piece of paper towel and buff it all off. Then do the other side. And then buff it off. And if you really want to do a good job, wait about half an hour, then do the whole process again of polishing it and then buffing it off. You don't use the alcohol anymore because it's clean. You're just adding another little layer of the polish. And when you're done, the windscreen's smooth as silk. And look, even with it not raining, it's not making any horrible noises. And then you can polish it every once in a while. I know it says the once a year car polish, but on the windscreen, I do it 4 times a year, every 3 months, once a season. I'll polish them up. Then they don't make any noise, and my wife was shocked at how quiet her car was now. And since the stuff is a polish, doesn't have any wax, you're not getting the wax buildup, and it doesn't look bad and start to get hazy over time. It stays clear. So if you hate noisy wiper blades, now you know what to do about it. And this being Mechanic Monday, you can win this product free. Just post a non-offensive comment on the YouTube comments below, and a computer will randomly pick the winner. And since entropy is the end state of all matter, that's a fair way to pick a winner. Thanks for watching this video, and good luck in the contest. So if you never want to miss another one of my new car repair videos, remember to ring that bell.